Hello, welcome to this beautiful, wonderful contemporary class estate at 1081 Bayshore in Englewood, Florida. This captivating 5-bedroom stay plus an office is currently nested in Englewood Gardens. Breathtaking views of Lemon Bay, impeccable craftsmanship and timeless elegance, meticulous gardens, regal interiors, and an enchanted water views create an unparalleled luxury. So fully furnished, this heaven boasts a magnificent staircase, soaring ceilings, opulent marble and wood floors. The spacious kitchen with water views and high-end appliances delights everyone's taste. The main suite, apronized luxury, stately office, well-equipped gym, enhanced productivity and wellness. Outside, a waterfront pool deck, a private dock, easy boating access and proximity to Sarasota. This property embodies waterfront living and is so fully furnished. Immerse yourself in beauty and tranquility. Thank you for touring this wonderful waterfront stay here in Englewood. For more information, just contact me at the number below.